A lawsuit's been filed against the state saying our election laws violate the Voting Rights Act, disproportionately hurting people with disabilities. Current law limits who can drop off absentee ballots for you, and it's a list voting advocates say hurts some Ohioans. Columbus Bureau reporter Morgan Trow received a copy of that filing and explains what that law does.
Ohio has reduced access to ballot drop boxes, which has some voters feeling left behind in elections.
Their voices matter as much as any other voter in the state.
This is why Jen Miller with the League of Women Voters has filed a federal lawsuit against the state, saying House Bill 458, now law, violates the Voting Rights and Americans with Disabilities Act.
458 just went even farther in criminalizing assisting voters with disabilities, just returning their sealed ballot envelope.
The only people allowed to deliver a sealed absentee ballot besides yourself are members of the Postal Service or specific relatives. This includes a spouse, a parent, or a child. It excludes caregivers, employees of a care facility, or neighbors, even friends. If anyone not listed returns the ballot, that would be a felony.
Their county board of elections drop box isn't drive up. And so they have to have someone drive them to the Board of Elections and then struggle to get to that drop box.
Although no supporters of House Bill 458 would go on record today to talk about the lawsuit, legal expert Atiba Ellis explains why the restrictions were put forward in the first place.
We are currently seeing lawmakers are making legislation driven in part by the myth of voter fraud, and they are overly restricting access to the ballot.
There is no evidence of widespread voter fraud or ballot harvesting, but he says that lawmakers may argue that people with disabilities have plenty of opportunity to vote.
The advantage of a drop box is that it's available 24 hours a day.
We asked Governor Mike DeWine about it since he signed the legislation.
Obviously, we don't want to have barriers for people to vote. So we'll have to look at the lawsuit.
Secretary of State Frank LaRose's office declined to comment. At the Ohio State House, I'm Morgan Trow reporting.